Today I'm going to finish up with my dirt bike. Hopefully get it all done and should be ready for the season. So today I'll be working on the tires. I got the valve lash adjusted last week. Unfortunately I didn't take any video of that. My phone wasn't working properly. So today will be the chain and sprockets and the front and rear tire. Okay, so first off, I'm going to change front tire. There you go, tire off. And get it all soaked up. Get it into the bead lock. Now, anybody who's seen me do this before, this is their favorite part. Put the leg over the spoon, because I don't want that coming back up and hitting me in the face. Should just slip in. There we go. All right, rear tire's off. Okay, so got the tire changed. Now I'm gonna do the rear sprocket. Rear tire is the same as front, just a little bit more difficult. So now rear sprocket, I already got all these loose. I'm just gonna take them off. All right, old sprocket off. And I'm just gonna double check the first one again. Perfect. All right, that's all done. Okay, now we're gonna take the old chain off. And voila. Tire back on. Perfect. And there we have it. So there you go. I just got to set the chain tension and torque everything back up, throw the skid plate on, and I'm ready for enduro racing. For more videos like this, follow Mark Fixes Bikes.